evening, Manny, and I will be your host to take you on the mission to find Jamaica's best school band. And we are in the second city of Montego Bay at the Herbert Morrison Technical High School and the Montego Bay High School. They were given a challenge, and that challenge was to prepare and perform for you a reggae medley. So let's see how they went about preparing for that.
I have been an advocate for years for instrumental music. We find that learning to play a musical instrument helps with several things. One, it helps with discipline. And two, it helps them to be able to coexist in a society where you have to learn to live with one another.
Hi, my name is Kyle. Dr. Herbert Morrison. I'm a
Alright, now, play it again.
Let's do it.
In other news,
Hello, my name is Clifford Anderson. I'm currently in 11th grade and I play the saxophone stage part. My name is Roshan. I'm currently in 8th grade at Herbert Morrison Technical High School and I play the trombone.
My name is Ahmed Barrett and I'm currently in 9th grade at the Herbert Morrison Technical High School and I play the trombone.
Hi, I'm Cinema Kintage from Herbert Morrison Technical High School. So I want to just say big up to our Herbert Morrison band, school band. And guess what? Herbert Morrison school band is like the best in Jamaica. So we'll be winning the Jamaican high school band competition.
Let's do it.
in other news,
Alright, so welcome to the best and biggest band competition show on television anywhere on the planet. We're talking about Jamaica's best school band, and we're here at Herbert Morrison Technical High School, and this is the segment that you all have been waiting for. We're talking about the performance segment of the Herbert Morrison Technical High School band. Of course, we have to introduce our judges. And first judge I'm going to introduce to you is bass player extraordinaire, Mr. Taddy P. And our next judge is lead vocalist of the world-renowned Chalice. Give it up for Mr. Dean Stevens. Okay, Mr. Lehen, can you please tell me about this piece you're about to perform?
This piece is a Burst Hammond. It's called M16. And also, I Feel Good.
Alright, so you're going to play like you feel good, right? Yes, of course, give it up.
Like velvet rubbing over my skin.
under my chin. Wish we were lost, oh baby, just the two of us. And the gives me a rush. Oh, oh, why so much? Show me that love unconditionally. Make believe we are alone, just you and me. Take your problems, leave them behind. Don't let it show. Go, baby, go, baby, go, baby, go, baby, go. I feel good when you're wrapped up in my arms, dancing to a reggae song. Feel good, feel good. I feel good, 'cause your perfume is loud, and only I can talk about. Feel good, feel good. Oh, what a night, what a night, what a night. Oh God, what a night, what a night, what a night, what a night. Yeah. Oh.
You feeling good? Yeah! Of course, it's the Herbert Morrison Technical High School Band. And of course, if they made you feel good, you're gonna have to keep it locked to Jamaica's best school band. Right now, we want to get the feelings of the judges. And we're talking about Mr. Taddy P. Coming to you first. Give me your thoughts.
Okay, the lead singer, whenever you're singing lead in any band that you perform, you have to make sure you come up front. Take out the mic, come up front, show off, man. You know? You just, it's like you just stand there right there, so. You know what I say? Just come up front, take out the mic, show off, sing. Give them some style. The horns could be more organized, both with the playing and with your movements, you know? You have to pay attention to that. Otherwise, it was cool for me.
All right, so again, I need your scores.
I would say a 6 for this one.
Okay, give it up, give it up. Mr. Dean Stevens, your thoughts on this performance.
All right. I like both pieces that you did. M16 is a nice old classic Jamaican reggae piece, and of course you can't go wrong with Barry Salmon's music. I feel good. I spoke earlier on with the lead singer, and you did show improvement from when you were practicing. You did look as if you were enjoying singing the song, and you know, like I said, express what the lyrics are saying. I agree with Taddy P that you need to be out front more. Like when I sing, I approach singing 2 ways. When I go to the studio, I sing like I'm the worst singer I approach it like I'm the worst singer in the world, because I have to get it right. So when I'm on stage, because it's just one shot, I approach it like I know I'm the best singer in the world. So if you can try to adopt that type of thing, when you're in rehearsal, approach it like you're the best, you're the worst, because you just want to get it perfect. But when it's time to perform it, know that you're the best and step out and do that. And like him said, you're the lead singer, so just take charge, come out and deal with it. Drumming, I didn't say anything to you early on, but this piece you did very well. You kept the tempo up there. You and Basie held the vibe right, and reggae music, when you're delivering that, is a very important part that you anchor it, bass and drum, wicked. Now the horns, the intro, the ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta, that was good, but the fills, the other fills, you're a little unsure, so you need to work on that, okay? And Mr. Keyboardist, and Mr. Keyboardist, you held it down well, and the background vocals, I'm very impressed with you. I would like to see the lady a little more jovial, will smile a little bit more, because I'm sure you have a lovely smile. I won't be as harsh as Taddy this time, because I like and enjoy this piece. I'm giving you an 8.
Okay, I would say overall, very good comments. So, you don't want to move. It's Jamaica's best school band and Herbert Morrison Technical High School. The band Understand, making you feel good.
Let's do it.
In other news.
Yeah, my name is Dean Stevens. I've been asked to be one of the judges for the All-Island School Band competition. It has been fun to be a part of this. I think it's a good competition. Very good for young musicians in this country. I think especially since we have a rich musical culture. I hope to see more schools getting involved, and I hope that out of this, the music programs in the schools will also grow, because music industry has a lot to offer to young Jamaicans, and even if they don't end up being musicians, I think it's been proven that kids who get involved in music actually do better with academics. So it's an honor to be a part of this, and I really hope that it goes strength to strength.
I am Off-Field Taditi Campbell, bass player, producer, artist. I think I would say two passions in life, and one of them is music, and the next one is teaching kids music. Because personally is my past alma mater, and I've been coming here to give back from time to time. So this competition, I think, is a great thing for kids. It's going to be a great thing for kids all over Jamaica, because I think nowadays it keeps them kind of distracted, and I think they need something, to catch them attention, and I think this can be one of the things that catch them attention. Just like when you said about one day, the 100 meter, track teachers in the school had a lot of people want to do tracks. So now, like this now, even students are going to be playing music, they want to practice more, and want to go and do more music. Right. I think it's a great thing.
And how did you feel about this today? It was good?
It was awesome, man. Awesome. The first day, great.
My name is Mario here, producer engineer for 25 years. I think the competition is great. I really feel that we need this sort of thing in the schools to generate interest in kids learning music and wanting to excel in music, and I endorse it 100%.
How did you feel about the band today?
I really think they were great, judging that they are kids and they're still in school. I think they have the right attitude. They lack some experience, but that is understandable. I think they will eventually grow and be successful.
My name is Alicia. We got to Herbert Morrison, and I'm fan to the world.
This is Jamaica's best school band competition. Keep it locked.